MTD Network this week, what's been going on? Well, the snow's gone, so back to work as usual. So you know what I'm going to say. First of all, Red, request a quote if you need parts manufactured. Pop your details in there and we'll get some quotes for you from our engineers. If you want to join the network, you know what I'm going to say. Hit that blue button, pop your details in there. I'll get in contact, we'll get you signed up. So moving on swiftly, what's been going on? Well, Andrew at Honal, a perfectly formed bottom, can I say. Read that article, very interesting. Atkinson Engineering have got some spare capacity on their Doosan Puma. We also popped in to see Andrew at Honal, talking boring, skiving, honing. So myself, Lindsay and Gio went round the machine shop. Great machine shop. Rotec recently joined us. They've done a 360-degree tour of their fantastic new facility and also a separate video about their suite of star machines. They've got a whole load of automation on there. It's really driving the business forward, so watch that video. What's trending this week? Well, already mentioned a couple, but our friend Brian and Mark from BTEC showcasing some of their components, a shuttle valve and a guitar no less, so have a look at that one. We've also got Claren Precision, immaculate machine shop, but when we popped in and they made us sweep up even more, so it's even tidier. So thanks for that, guys. Won't be going back there in a hurry. Tim at MJ Allen, huge, great casting. We were talking about that. I was leaning on it. It was a massive, massive part. So have a look at that. Mentioned Atkinson Engineering, new website, so have a look, showcasing what they could do. Our friend Dan from Bucks Laser Tech, 3D printing and prototyping, so anything like that, get in contact with Dan. And Partline have got some capacity on their Doosan VT900 vertical turning machine, so anything like that, get in contact. So that's it for this week. You know what I'm going to say. Red to request a quote, pop your details in there, we'll get some quotes for your inquiries. And this is pertinent because I'm off to the races this week to Cheltenham, so wish me luck, but we need some more customers because I'm probably going to blow all my cash. So if you want to join the network, blue to join, pop your details in there, I'll get in contact, we'll get you signed up. That's it for this week, we'll see you soon.